Since the 6th of February of this year 2024, HOLO Stock has eventually printed a gain of 2,432.82%. In that rally we saw it spike from $2.62 or thereabout, and I think in 2 sessions or thereabout, or in 2 sessions, it eventually reached 28.73, and we thought that was a lot. But it's since pulled back and pivoted again from 17.31, even higher now. And we were asking in the thumbnail of the last video concerning the stock whether aggressive buyers are trying to take it back to the highs of around I think 107.46 as of September of last year. But fortunately, we are fortunate that this Fibonacci grid was intact, because all the other Fibonacci projections on its short-term charts didn't yield any sort of projections like this. So in the last video we had projections of around 71.75 is still very much intact. We had that projection of 50. We had $57, and that has since been taken out. $57, or rather it's 56.47. That has since been taken out. The next target, which is highly likely, if it has rallied relentlessly, but the probability of it getting to 71.15 is very much immediate. It's a highly likely one. It's a probability that is very much within grasp, within reach. As against retracing to around 56.47. So if it prints above that, if it closes above 71.56, then 90.32 is very much possible, but 144.99 is a stretch. But you never know what's behind this rebound from HOLO Stock. But you still have to be really careful with the stock. You still have to be really careful. The gains has just been totally and absolutely relentless, and I thought it was already over. I thought it was going to pull back and consolidate these sort of levels, but that was not the case. I thought it was, I thought this $17 support was where it was going to consolidate from for some time, but that is not the case. We're not seeing any consolidation here. We're seeing a total reversal. The correction is over now. The stock has moved on. So projections, next one, very likely 71.15. The one after that, roughly 90.32, and then the highly ambitious 144.99. Okay, let's have a look at another very interesting stock that has shown a lot of has seen a lot of aggression from buyers of late. This is and then Nano-X Imaging Limited. So Nano-X spiked, I think, on the news that Nvidia is interested in what the stock is doing, and at the same time as well that Nvidia is interested in what the company is doing, and took up a stake of around 57,000 shares. And FDA also granted approved its AI project for as it concerns liver research. So yes, we have seen that the stock has very much like HOLO Stock, pulled back, rebounded, rather spiked, and then pulled back and pivoted from roughly $6 or thereabouts. So the stock has gained, I think, over 140% or thereabout. Would that be the case from $5 to where it is right now? $5, yes, that's roughly 140% since Tuesday the 3rd, roughly about a week ago. It has gained over 140% or thereabout, 114%, one of those. So projections, unfortunately we don't have any on its daily chart. We have to probably go and look at its 1 hour chart. That we may find some projections. Yes, on its 1 hour chart we have projections that may interest you. We have 12.23, 13.02, and 14.34, and then all the way towards 17.72. Yeah, so it's interesting to see these sort of stocks, especially I mean both of them, HOLO Stock. I mean after seeing a spike of around 1,000% in one session, you would think it was a pump and dump, and a few days afterwards it's actually doubled again. So it's really interesting, really interesting. So see what you make of these two stocks, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.